President Donald Trump touted the capture of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro as a boon for the United States' oil industry, though experts are skeptical that U.S. control of Venezuela's vast oil reserves will lower oil prices for Americans, at least in the short term. Trump said Saturday, quote, "We're going to get the oil flowing the way it should be." Trump also told reporters the U.S. will get American energy companies to produce and sell, quote, "large amounts of oil to other countries," end quote, and use revenue generated from the transactions to bolster Venezuela's infrastructure. Patrick DeHaan, head of petroleum analysis at GasBuddy, stated on Monday that the impact of Maduro's removal on oil supply may ultimately be limited. He noted in a statement that it could take years of positive developments for any additional oil supply to, quote, "meaningfully move the needle." DeHaan added short-term impacts from Maduro's arrest could even raise oil prices slightly because of leadership uncertainty in Venezuela, though he noted potential increased oil output from Venezuela could lower global crude oil prices long-term, quote, "especially if the U.S. is successful in raising investment in Venezuela's crumbling infrastructure." Despite Venezuela's strong oil supply, the country's oil production has been slow for years due to poor infrastructure, underinvestment, and mismanagement. Venezuela's oil reserves are the largest in the world at an estimated 300 billion barrels, making up roughly 17% of the global supply. 8 countries in the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries said Sunday they will maintain a pause on oil supply increases in the first quarter of 2026 over concerns of surplus and weakened demand, doing so amid uncertainty around the Trump administration's plans for Venezuelan oil. The average price for a gallon of gas in the U.S. was around $2.77 on Monday, according to GasBuddy, marking one of the lowest price points in roughly 4 years. DeHaan said he expects gas prices to bottom out in the upcoming weeks before starting their seasonal climb around March. For more on this story, check out the article at the link in the description.